So this problem is asking to find whether the trees are leaf similar or not. So what is a leaf similar tree? As per the question, the trees that have the same ordering of the leaf nodes as we go from left to right. Okay, like 6 7 4 9 8 over here and 6 7 4 9 8 over here. All right, and the constraints are pretty loose. The number of nodes in the tree are in range 1 to 200. So this is a pretty easy question, and we can solve it by finding out the orderings, right? Each and every leaf node for each and every tree. So two we initialize two vectors, right? Answer answer 1 vector int answer 2. Okay, now we call two helper functions, that is helper 1 for root 1 and helper 2 for root 2. Now what these helper functions are doing, they're basically traversing the entire tree, be it in order, post order, or any kind of traversal that you like. Okay, so we write void here helper 1 tree node star root. Okay, now let's say if the root is a leaf node, what are we supposed to do? We're supposed to push it. We need to push it. Okay, since we are calling for root 1 first, okay, let me just pass these by reference. Okay, let me just say answer 1 and answer 2. Answer 2 vector int answer 1. All right, so if root of left equals null and root of right equals null, what are we supposed to do? It means we are at the leaf node. So when we are at the leaf node, we simply push it into the answer. Let me just say this, that this is answer. We say answer dot push, we say answer dot push back root value, and we are supposed to traverse from left to right. Okay, this is how we are supposed to do. So we will make recursive calls. We first reach this bottom left 6, then we go on to reach 7, then 4, then 9 and 8. So we are following pre-order traversal. Okay, so we make call for the left, that is the root of left answer 1, sorry, answer, and we call root of right for answer. That is it. Okay, so by this we will have the orderings of the leaf nodes of both of these trees in answer 1 and answer 2 variable. Let me just say helper 1. Okay, so now what happens, let's say if answer 1 dot size is not equal to answer 2 dot size, that means number of nodes, leaf nodes are different, so we return false. Okay, otherwise we check for int I equals 0, I less than answer answer 1 dot size to I plus plus, we check if answer 1 of I, if answer 1 of I is not equal to answer 2 of I, that means we have to return false. Okay, now if the loop has successfully executed, we return true. That is it, right? Now let's just run this code. What's the problem? Okay, let's say if our root node is null. All right, we forgot to we missed that case. If root is, sorry, If root equals null, what are we supposed to do? We simply return. All right, now let's just run this code. Oh, okay, works fine. All right, so now let's just try and submit this code. Yeah, works fine.